Sabi Africa. No Africa. No Africans. Pioneering role in science, engineering, and technology.
Sabi African Network, illuminating Africa's narrative as pioneers in science, engineering, and technology.
Tadelakt Plaster, Morocco's shimmering legacy of innovation, engineering, and sustainability. Do you know that one of the most advanced waterproofing and sustainable wall technologies on Earth was perfected not in a modern lab, but in the heart of ancient Morocco? This is not concrete, it is not plastic, it is Tadelakt, a lime plaster so scientifically brilliant that it marries chemistry, art, and sustainability into one seamless innovation. In the sun-soaked courtyards of Marrakesh, where ochre meets cobalt, ancient artisans created more than beauty. They engineered a living technology. Tadelakt, from the Arabic delek, meaning to rub or massage, is far more than plaster. It is a scientific system that has survived for over 1,000 years, self-healing, water-resistant, and carbon neutral. At the heart of Tadelakt lies hydraulic lime, a material that breathes and lives with the earth. When mixed with water, lime undergoes carbonation, absorbing CO2 from the air and transforming back into limestone over time. Now combine that with olive oil soap, triggering a natural reaction called saponification. The result? A calcium stearate coating, a waterproof antibacterial surface formed entirely from nature's chemistry. This is not mere art, it is ancient African nanotechnology. The making of Tadelakt is both science and ritual. One, lime from the Atlas Mountains is slaked and aged. 2, the plaster is applied with rhythmic precision using wooden or metal trowels. 3, surfaces are polished using river stones. 4, finally, a wash of olive soap seals the surface in a natural chemical armor. Each layer reflects generations of empirical research passed not through textbooks, but through touch, memory, and mastery. For centuries, this technology quietly guarded Morocco's hammams, palaces, and fountains. But look deeper and you will see a profound statement about African engineering. It is ethical, it is sustainable, and it was far ahead of its time. While the industrial world burns carbon, Tadelakt absorbs it. While synthetic coatings pollute water, Tadelakt purifies it through lime's natural alkalinity. Africa has always engineered in harmony with the earth. Modern materials scientists now study what Moroccan craftsmen knew intuitively, that the microcrystals of lime, when compressed and chemically bonded with natural oils, form a molecular lattice resistant to moisture, mold, and cracking. It is a perfect equilibrium between physics, chemistry, and craftsmanship. A system designed by nature, perfected by African minds. Before green architecture became a buzzword, Morocco was already building eco-homes. Tadelakt is naturally non-toxic, recyclable, breathable, and carbon-absorbing. Each wall becomes a carbon sink. Each layer is an act of environmental restoration. It is not retro architecture, it is regenerative engineering. Today, Tadelakt is resurging across continents, from European wellness resorts to ecologies in Asia and green homes in the Americas. Architects are rediscovering what Morocco has long known, that true innovation is not about inventing new materials but reawakening ancient intelligence. Tadelakt reminds the world that Africa's science is not dormant, it is ancestral, living, and evolving. This is not nostalgia, this is applied sustainability. Imagine African cities where skyscrapers shimmer with lime-polished walls, which are cooler, cleaner, and carbon neutral. The knowledge is ancient, but the future it builds is revolutionary. Tadelakt is more than a wall finish. It is a philosophy, a meeting of chemistry, craftsmanship, and consciousness. It teaches us that true progress begins not by rejecting the past, but by listening to it. So next time you touch a smooth, shining wall, remember, you are feeling the pulse of African science, the shimmer of sustainability, the legacy of Tadelakt. Africa innovates, the world listens. Tadelakt, where tradition engineers the future. Settings: add any subtitle.